Hello and welcome back to my channel Norina with Decor, your favorite spot. A big hello to my amazing audience. I'm so happy to see you here again. Thank you so much for clicking this video. I hope you're doing great today. So guys, if you're new to here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing upload. This channel is all about wooden craft for home decor ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. I love sharing new and easy ideas with you. Your sport mean a lot to me. Let's enjoy today's video together. I hope friends you're always with me and support me. I hope you find something useful today. Please give this video a like if you enjoy it. Share your comments and they make the smile. Let's keep growing together in from this channel. You're not just a viewer, you're a part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I make this video with a lot of love for you. Stay with me till the end of the video so you don't miss any other amazing designs. This channel is all about wooden beauty and simple decor ideas. If you love your wood style and creativity, you are on the right place. In today's video, I'm talking about wall shelf design ideas in wooden in different styles, color combination and sizes. So please guys watch this video till then. If you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it, and if you want to more home interior designs ideas and wooden decor ideas, so you can please visit my channel and also do try my home my amazing wooden craft ideas at your home. Every piece of wooden have a new story. I hope this video inspire you for your own space. Please give this video a like if you enjoy wooden art. Your support helps me create more for you. I love reading your comments and keep them coming. Simple wooden can bring warm beauty to any home. Let's make your space more cozy and charming. Stay with me till the end. So guys, I have something lovely to show you on daily basis. I bring new ideas for from wooden. You are a part of this YouTube family. Sit back, relax and enjoy today's wooden creations. Wooden decor brings warmth and natural beauty to any home. You don't need expensive items, just simple wooden and a little creativity. Today I will show you the most beautiful, latest and trendy collection of wooden home shelf design ideas and wall shelf design ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. Thank you so much for your support and your love, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. Please watch this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed today's wooden home decoration ideas. Let me know in the comment section what you like the most. If try any of these, please share a photo on your experience. Your sports means a lot to me. It keep me going and creating. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and please subscribe for more wooden ideas on a daily basis. Thank you so much for spending